Well, it's not looking good for Amber Heard, ladies and gentlemen, which, to be honest with you, I'm actually quite happy, because this woman has tried to go out of her way and destroy Johnny Depp and his career. She has done things to him which her past relationships have come out and said, she done that to me. So, coming from Bounding in the Comics again, today this guy has been on a roll, and a lot of the information is available, so I will leave the links below. But several members of Amber Heard's legal team withdraw from Johnny Depp defamation case, including Time's Up attorney Roberta Kaplan. That's probably the biggest one there, is that she's the one who is gone. So, Aquaman star Amber Heard has suffered a major blow to the defense team, representing her in the ongoing defamation case brought against her by ex-husband Johnny Depp, as several members have withdrawn themselves from the case, including prominent LGBT rights lawyer and Time's Up Legal Defense Fund founder Roberta Kaplan. So, according to documents obtained by The Blast, Kaplan, along with attorneys John Quinn, founder of prestigious law firm Quinn Emanuel Urquhart, and Sullivan LLP, seasoned California attorney Davida Brooke, and Kaplan, Heckler and Fink partner Julie Fink. The filing states that the undersigned moves for entry of an order permitting Robert. So is it Robert or Roberta? I'm going to call Roberta. Kaplan, John, all these people to withdraw as counsel of record for defendant Amber Laura Heard. So, and obviously you got her there, like, oh yeah, yippee, look at her. She looks like she is the type of devil in disguise. But, I just think it's really funny that it's all happened now, because obviously we have seen tons of information regarding Amber Heard and from her past relationships where they've come out in defense of Johnny Depp. Another thing that I absolutely loved, which I did a video on it a couple of weeks ago, was Amber Heard's counsel hired a private detective who went back 30 years, and he went all over the world. He went to the UK, he went to other places in Europe, and they couldn't find anything on Depp. There was not an ounce of dirt dating back 30 years for this guy. That just goes to show that this guy is a nice guy, and literally everyone loves him. Before Amber Heard, you can ask anyone, is Johnny Depp this? Is he horrible or whatnot? And they were like, no, it's Johnny. Johnny's amazing. Johnny is the king, That's Johnny Depp. The guy, he goes round to hospitals in the Captain Sparrow outfit. He keeps one with him at all times. If he's going past a hospital, he'll jump into costume and go on in. That is just absolutely amazing and incredible of Johnny Depp, because he hasn't got to do that. He doesn't have to do any of that, but he does because he's a nice guy. We're going to carry on. It also names Heard's new legal representative, stating that the actress has retained the services of another trial counsel licensed in Virginia, Elaine Brederhoft. Again, hope that's right. If not, I do apologise. And noting that all withdrawn counsel are currently admitted pro-hack vice, and Miss Heard will still be represented by the undersigned Virginia counsel. The documents also detail Miss Heard does not obtain the withdrawal of withdrawing counsel and has endorsed the proposed order granting leave to withdraw. It'd be very interesting to see why they left. Probably because they know they can't win, and they know that literally all the evidence is stacked against her, and she's like, yeah. But we do have an actual comment from a spokesperson for the ex-counsel, that they still believe Heard's accusations, but found COVID-19 related travel and logistics to be a major hindrance to their participation in the case. Yeah, I doubt that. I'm not being funny, but when you're a law firm and you've got something like this, it's a big money case. They're not going to drop it unless they have absolute major evidence stating, yeah, we're not going to win this, guys. Let's get out of it as quick as we can. We believe Amber, and we believe in Amber. We have been proud to serve as Amber's counsel in the strange and unexpected circumstances of today's world, as travel and logistics have become more costly. In the light of this, we understand the decision to move the case to local Virginia-based trial counsel. Yeah, okay. You could still go, they could still go, private jets or whatever, they could still do it, but they're saying it's costly. You're a law firm. Your client is a millionaire. It's not going to be like, oh my god, I can't pay you yet. It's going to be like, right, okay, we need payment for this, blah, 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 whatever. But again, no, this is the type of people that, for some unknown reason, it's kind of weird, actually, because it's like with the whole Vic case at this moment in time. You got people saying, oh, because of what's going on in the world, it has caused a little bit of upheaval and stuff. It has disorientated a lot of people, but they're still doing it. It's like with a job, like, if someone said to me, oh, can you edit this? And I'd be like, oh, no, I can't, because of what's going on in the world is a little bit different at the moment. Even though I could literally just do editing on the go. It's that sort of thing. And when you're an attorney, and it's just crazy, all this is. I really can't get my head around it to why they've done it, but there's bound to be some reason behind it. So it carries on. However, Depp's attorney, Adam Waldman, believes that the withdrawal is a move of self-protection. There we go. Speculating that the lawyers are attempting to unhitch themselves from Miss Heard's long-disproven frauds and vowing to discover why. For years, Time's Up and other inexplicably hitched their wagons to Amber Heard's abuse hoax, which they did. Miss Heard's lawyers, one of whom co-founded the Time's Up Legal Defense Fund, have now apparently unhitched themselves from a long disproven fraud. We intend to discover why. And just reading that by there, it kind of brings into the whole situation regarding, I think it's Alyssa Milano, or Milana, her name is, the one who played Arnold Schwarzenegger's daughter in Commando. When, she's all for Biden and everyone else, but, she's all for the Me Too, Time's Up, everything else. She was a very, very outspoken person for that. She was the one rallying for it. She was like, yes, come on, we gotta do this. But as soon as someone goes against one of her people, she's like, oh no, I don't believe her. It's that sort of thing. So with this, it could actually be why the actual attorney and the counsel have left. Maybe they're like, right, we need to get away from this woman. And with her being the founder of the Time's Up Legal Fund, she could be like, if I'm caught seeing that this all turns out to be fake and she's lied about it all, it's not going to look good for me and my fund I've set up. That's probably what's happened. And if so, it's going to be glorious when this all comes to an end. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future updates, and I'll see all you wonderful people soon.